Scene script. Have you ever wondered how you're able to move, lift things, or even blink your eyes? What's the magic behind it all? Well, it's not exactly magic, but it's something equally intricate and fascinating. Our muscular system. It's not just about biceps and triceps or the muscles we admire in the mirror. The muscular system is a complex network of fibers that are responsible for nearly every form of movement in the human body. From the beating of our hearts to the lifting of a weight, our muscles are the unsung heroes behind these actions. They're constantly at work, contracting and relaxing, enabling us to go about our daily routines. And it's not just about movement. Our muscles also play a vital role in maintaining our posture, stabilizing our joints, generating heat, and even helping in the process of digestion. It's fascinating, isn't it? How such an intricate system works tirelessly to keep us moving. So, how does a muscle contract? What prompts it to move? Let's dive into this fascinating process. Muscle contraction is a beautifully coordinated dance between our brain nerves and muscle fibers. It all starts in the brain, which is like the choreographer of this dance. When we decide to move, our brain sends signals down the spinal cord and out to the nerves that control our muscles. These nerves are like the messengers, carrying the brain's instructions to the muscles. When they receive the nerve signal, the muscle fibers spring into action. This is where the real magic happens. You see, each muscle fiber contains thousands of tiny proteins called actin and myosin. Think of these proteins as the dancers in our muscle contraction ballet. When the nerve signal arrives, these proteins start to slide past each other, causing the muscle fiber to shorten or contract. This whole process happens in a split second, and it's happening all the time, even when you're just sitting still. Every blink of your eyes, every beat of your heart, every breath you take, all of these actions are driven by muscle contractions. And that, my friends, is the science of muscle contraction. Not as complex as it sounds, right? Even in its simplicity, it's still a marvel of nature, a testament to the sophistication of the human body. So the next time you move, take a moment to appreciate the intricate ballet happening inside your muscles. Did you know that not all muscles are created equal? That's right. There are 3 distinct types of muscles in our bodies, each with their own unique characteristics and functions. First up, we have skeletal muscles, also known as striated muscles due to their striped appearance under a microscope. These are the muscles that most of us are familiar with. They're attached to our bones and under our voluntary control, meaning we decide when they contract or relax. Whether you're running a marathon or simply lifting a cup of tea, you're using your skeletal muscles. Next, we have smooth muscles. Unlike skeletal muscles, these aren't under our conscious control. They're found in the walls of organs and structures such as the esophagus, stomach, intestines, bronchi, uterus, urethra, and blood vessels. They work quietly behind the scenes, helping to push food through our digestive system, contract our blood vessels, and perform a host of other vital tasks. Finally, we have cardiac muscles. These are exclusive to our heart, and just like smooth muscles, they're not under our voluntary control. Their continuous contraction and relaxation keep our heart pumping and blood flowing around our bodies, all day, every day, without us even having to think about it. 3 different types of muscles, each with its unique function, all working together to keep us alive and kicking. How does the muscular system contribute to our movement? Now let's talk about how our muscles make us move. To put it simply, our skeletal muscles work in pairs to facilitate movement. Let's take the simple act of bending your arm as an example. When you bend your arm, your biceps muscle contracts, pulling your forearm up towards your shoulder. At the same time, your triceps muscle relaxes to allow this movement. Conversely, when you straighten your arm, your triceps contract and your biceps relax. The same principle applies when you're standing on your tiptoes. Your calf muscles contract, pulling your heel upwards and allowing you to extend your foot. Meanwhile, the muscles at the front of your leg relax. These are just simple examples, but they illustrate how muscles contract and relax in pairs to enable movement. So the next time you take a step, remember the incredible work your muscles are doing. But muscles do more than just help us move, don't they? Indeed they do. Our muscular system is a silent hero, working tirelessly to keep us upright and stable. Consider this, without muscles we'd be a heap on the floor. They maintain our posture, allowing us to stand tall, sit straight, or even do a headstand if we fancy. Muscles are also our in-house stabilizers. They support our joints, ensuring they align correctly and move smoothly without causing us any discomfort or pain. Now here's a fun fact for you. Our muscles are like little internal heaters. They generate heat by burning calories, helping regulate our body temperature. So, next time you feel warm after a workout, remember, it's your muscles working hard to keep you cozy. Indeed, our muscles do more than just flex and contract. They are key players in our overall health and well-being. So, let's give a round of applause for our muscular system, the unsung heroes of our bodies.